What's up, guys? My name is Dustin Rice. Today is Canada Day, and hope you guys have a good day today. I hope you guys had a good day today, man. And right now it's about 10 o'clock or about 11 o'clock at night. I'm gonna be lighting some fireworks today at the St. Joe's parking lot, because that's the only area that is open, but Country Park. But this is, yeah, because a lot of people over there. There actually were a lot of people that were doing fireworks earlier today, and I was like, wow. And earlier today, I actually made a vlog. I was at the Black Bridge, and I was at the Black Bridge earlier, and I seen a blue Lamborghini Huracan. You want to check that out on my Instagram? Go ahead. And now it's time to lit some fireworks. Time to lit some fireworks.
You better light it.
Yeah, guys, I'm gonna be lighting some fireworks. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys, having a little difficult. I just need to. I might have to pause the video. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. One sec. Guys, look at. Oh. Let's go. Oh. Hey. Let's go. This is my first time doing fireworks. Oh, it could be done. Oh, I guess that was done. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah. What I was saying is, it is my first time doing fireworks. Like a first actual year of doing it. Yeah, you heard that earlier people are already still doing it. Let's go. Yeah. Maybe next year when it's maybe New Year's or New Year's or another July 1st, I could do a bigger fireworks or something that more bigger and more better, because it's called the Fireball Classic. And yeah, and sorry for stop pausing for a couple times. I don't mean to. Now for do the second one. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Sorry for pausing. Just trying to. Oh. Time for a second one. Oh, that's a little one. Oh. Hey. Whoa. This is pretty cool. Oh, I guess that one's out. Hey guys, I know I did a little bit, but I just want to end the vlog there. Hope you guys enjoy your Canada. I hope you guys enjoyed Canada Day. Let me know if you guys like this video. Like, subscribe, comment below, and turn on those notifications. And have a good day.